Hey guys, I took this little machine off, little engine off. There's a screw there. You take that one off, and that side is also another one. You take that screw off there and that one, and you unplug that little plug there, just that little one there, and the whole machine will come off. And there you can just push it a little bit forward, then you can unhook the belt from that point, and then you can unhook the belt from this point. And then that little thing here, you have to somehow glue it together, and the 2 points inside there needs to stick when this little cartridge go all the way to the inside where the red point is. You see that red point there? When it pushes against that red point there, then it will stop that very big noise, that grrr sound. So we're going to see if it's going to work now. We'll put it on. Hope it's going to work. Oh, there's it. All good, no? Loading mat, and it's all good. So we fixed the problem. So that little bugger there was the problem, just that one there. And we took this blue light, what is this thing's name? Clever Fix. You unscrew this thing, put a little bit of glue on the plastic, and you put the blue light in, instantly it become hardened.